ayun na nga, ladies and gentlemen, we have officially landed in Armenia. Perfect, diba? O, ayan. Tayo yung naimbitahan na ng mga Moroccan na magkain sa labas. Hi! Ayan, nag-aaya silang kumain sa labas, so let's go na. Muhammad. Muhammad. Yalla, come.
Hello, people. Hello, it's me. It's Kate. And we're going to Yerevan, Armenia. And it will be way more beautiful.
See ya. So we are trying La Macho today and he's the one who's making it. Thank you. Hey guys, we're going to Yerevan right now and the bed is beautiful. Very awesome.
Yeah, so
She's telling me
catch your,
everything. Thank you.
so catch your eye because it's really beautiful. It is the best part of the journey from Georgia to Armenia. And then it will be serpentine, 17 roads through mountains
Then, yes, of course I'm gonna get broke after all this because I don't really have plans to work in the next 1 year aside from traveling. So everything that I have now that can put me to risk, but I want to see life.
I risked kind of 2 times, and I was pivoting 2 times in a row during this year, and every pivot was devoted to kind of life was showing me that I was not right about everything I thought I knew about how world works and how I work in this project, how my relationship works. And and it's all just now kind of in this state of really pure perception, and I don't know what the fuck all that means because you just kind of you're observing. It's all just experiences.
Yes. Just keep going. That's it.
Absolutely. You have a lot of beautiful things to
see. To experience.
At least.
Welcome to Armenia, ganon. Alam niyo na, first stopover and the last stopover bago dumating ng Yerevan. Try natin to. Beef cheese daw yan. Masarap daw yan. Ayang ginagawa siya. Gusto ko yan, yung mga ginagawa pa na perfect yan. Sir! Hi! So we are trying La Macho today and he's the one who's making it.
Okay.
Tanggalin natin yung manual focus. So he's doing it today. Thank you. Central Square. So ayun na nga, ladies and gentlemen, we are officially landed. We have officially landed in the land of Armenia. Dito na tayo sa hostel ko. Dek, ayun siya. Gusto ko to. Meron siyang balcony. Perfect. O, diba? Ay, sorry nga. Tayo yung naimbitahan na ng mga Moroccan na magkain sa labas. Ayun sila. Hi! Ayan, nag-aaya silang kumain sa labas, so let's go na. Nabi ko na naman ulit. Mag-focus ka. Ayan, tayo ay pababa. Simulan na ang pag-vlog sa Armenia, Yerevan, o Yerevan kahit ano pa man yan. Para ako lang sa Pilipinas na malamig lang, malinis pa nga. Kakaloka. Sabi ko mag-aayos pa ako, pero minamadali na nila ako. So, ayan. Okay, let's go. Paano ba to? Perfect. Sana maganda ako.
محمد
Where to go?
محمد
Muhammad. Muhammad. Yalla, come. I-off natin yung autofocus. Kasi sa akin lang siya nako-focus. Hi. We are now officially doing our first steps here. So, let's enjoy. We're going to Republic Square, I think. Republic Square, yeah? Sure. Ba yan, mabenta talaga ang mami mo. Kadadating lang, may invitation na agad.
هو
Can you call her? Yusuf! Yusuf! Habibti! You want Habibti, ha? You don't want Yusuf, you want Habibti. Diyos ko po, 30 minutes nag-iikot na, walang pagkain. Ang mahal ng laps. Sabi ko, manap tayo ng mura. So, ayun. Mukha naman makakahanap kami ng mura. At yes. Di ba mapanghatak ako, kala mo close. Ganun lang. Tagpalan lang dito. Good morning. Actually, hindi ko din yung morning. Hindi ako nakatulog. May surot yata. Grabe yung kagat ko. Hindi nila ako pinatulog. Halos maubos ko yung off lotion. Grabe talaga. Wala naman nakabanggit sa akin dito na may kumakagat sa kanila yung mga matagal na nag-i-stay. Baka ako lang kasi dati rin sa Bicol. Natutulog kami nila mama. Ako lang talaga yung maraming pantang. So hindi ako sure. So stay pa ako ng 1 more night. Pero kapag ganun pa din, wala. Kailangan kong lumipat kasi grabe yung kalimot ko. Diba? Kakakalimot ko sa sarili ko kagabi. So, ayan. Alam mo, nasa Quiapo lang ako. Pero ang ginaw, grabe. Sobra. Ay. So, ayun. Dumating tayo kagabi. Ganap ng food. Konting usap sa other, like, tenants. Tapos, ayun. Walang internet. Nakakaloka naman. Kailangan ko yung internet kasi gagawa ko ng itinerary ko today. Hindi pa alam kung saan ako pupunta. Hindi kaya ako meron SIM card para magka-data na ako. Oo nga, sige na. Ayan siya. Good morning. Wala para siyang Pinas. Tapos masarap yung cashier sa baba. Ganon! Here joining us today is Susie. Sorry for disturbing you, but she's kind of joining us. Ganda na, mabait pa, ganon. Ang bait naman ito. Diba tinulungan ka na, siya pa yung nagtatanong para sa'yo. Kaya hindi pwede ka maganda lang, mabait din dapat. Ang ganda! I hope you can see it. Ang ganda niya. Pagod siya, mami. Nagreklamo na siya. Thank you. I think we made it. Taas ma. Nagsisisi na siya, sabi ko, do you feel any regret? Sabi niya, yes.